What's up, YouTube? My name is Ro, and today I have a fragrance for you that I think will kick off the end of summer and Labor Day just the right way. And that is Alexandria Fragrances Brasilia. This is a cologne inspired by Creed's Aventus. And I haven't smelled Creed Aventus before, but from what I've heard, this is a pretty close interpretation of it. The bottle for this fragrance is just like any other from Alexandria Fragrance. It's just very simple, but it doesn't matter about the bottle. It matters about the juice. All right? Can't drink it. It matters about what it smells like on the inside, and I'll tell you right now, this right here. Woo. For the end of the summer, especially Labor Day, especially in the city of New York where you celebrate Labor Day weekend with a parade, this is the fragrance for you. This one right here. Very fresh. Fresh, 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 fresh. And I feel like, anyone that knows about fragrances knows that in the summertime it's hot. You don't want to be smelling anything that's too overpowering to your nose in the wrong way. You want to smell something fresh and nice, And this is what this fragrance is, Brasilia. This is what this fragrance is. It is a fresh fragrance. You have notes of apple, pineapple, bergamot, pink berries. What else? And let me go down to the notes. You have jasmine, musk, ambergris, vanilla. But for this fragrance, I'll tell you right now, the thing that really kills this fragrance, and I say kill in a good way, what kills this fragrance is the pineapple. The pineapple overpowers everything else. That's it. The pineapple is the monster in the bottle right here. The pineapple is strong with this one. Okay? And you would think that because it has such a strong pineapple smell, it will be more feminine. But no. This is a manly fragrance. I believe that the musk and the pineapple kind of must collide in a way where it's just like it's a manly fragrance, but it's just strong with pineapple. You spray it, and as soon as you spray it, you get the pineapple and maybe a little apple, but the apple it dies out in 2 seconds. Pineapple is what lives on afterwards. Pineapple and apple collide. Pineapple and everything else in this fragrance collide, and the pineapple wins out. And that's the thing that you smell throughout the whole fragrance, the pineapple. And it really works for the fragrance, I believe. You have about 3 hours of projection with the fragrance. And that's just the pineapple oozing off of you the whole time. And afterwards, longevity is like 6-8 hours with it. And then it really cools down after a while. But this is a fragrance for a nice hot day. Definitely for a nice hot day. And then you have the Labor Day parade tomorrow. Well, today, actually, because it's when I'm going to put the video out for today. And when it comes to that, with all the Caribbean cultures out there, I feel like this is the fragrance for you guys. A nice pineapple smell. Is that racist? No, it's not. It's a nice pineapple smell. It reminds you of the Caribbean. This is like Caribbean in a bottle, right? Caribbean in a bottle, and that's just a fragrance to wear to the Caribbean Day Parade or the Labor Day Parade. It just smells so freaking nice. Ooh. Again, I say this is the Caribbean in a bottle. Like I feel like I'm sitting on a beach right now, sitting here. Like it's just that good of a fragrance. It just makes you feel like you're on a beach somewhere. It's very zesty, and pineapple-y. Not words, but that's what I'm gonna link it as. It's zesty and pineapple-y, and it works really well. It's very manly. It doesn't come off feminine in any way. Around this hot, this is like a fragrance to cool you down and cool off the people around you as well. And that's pretty much it. Great fragrance. Definitely something I'm going to be wearing tomorrow for the Labor Day. And I feel like you should too. Well, maybe for next year, once you see this video, and then you decide what you want to wear for Labor Day, and then you pick this fragrance up. It is great. It just smells, even right now, I'm just getting that pineapple. Maybe a little bit of apple, but that nice pineapple smell, and it smells amazing. It's a manly smell. It's a great smell, and you're going to love it. That is it from me for my fragrance for Labor Day, because I feel like it's gonna smell so damn good. It's the end of the summer. Why not celebrate it right with the right fragrance, right? It's right too many times. Anyways, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next fragrance review. I'm out.